Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce you how to make leached tailings harmless. Generally speaking, we have two methods. First is natural degradation. It's usually used in the tailings pond. It only needs to allow the tailings stay in the tailings pond for enough time and the environmental forces of nature so that the pollution factors existing in the tailings pond can be decomposed and removed, including sun, rain, and high temperature will catalyze this process. It usually used about 1 to 3 months. The land can be basically degraded and the react is completed. The second is the direct decomposition. We can directly add the bleaching powder in the tailings and mix them evenly to neutralize land. According to the concentration of cyanide, it usually used about 1 to 2 kg per ton, and it can be processed in 24 hours. It's very cost-effective and popular among overseas customers. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.